Very excited about getting the Fire Red Jordan 3s. Lovely vintage shoes, and I got some cement laces to put in them. Let's see how it comes out. Finished product with the cement laces from Slickies. The lace locks, I got those on Etsy. Adding them to the collection. I'm loving the new 3s. Beautiful Fire Red 3s. Cement, nice lines, super clean shoe. Definitely wearing that one. Let's go. Ending with some of the best Jordans, I think, this year. 12 lows, 1 lows, infrared 6s, citrus 7s, the 14s, the gingers, the 3 fire reds, the Concord 5s, the green bean 5s, and the OG Jordan 1s. Boom. Today is Shoe Appreciation Day. Threw in the foam posits, the Feder Pros, the Van Reds, the Dornbecker Cage 4s, the Camo. That was a women's release, though. Had to get them. 12 lows, 25 years in China. Giants, the Dunks, Trae Young 1s. And I think that finishes it up. Oh, don't forget the LeBron Mango Lime Trees in the back. Let's go. All right, so in comments, vote for your favorite shoe. Tell me what you think. Vote for your favorite shoe. Let's go. Oh, yeah, and the Phillies SB Dunk Lows. Those are fire, by the way.